Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys have been well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you add songs in your Instagram story. So let's continue to Instagram. After going to Instagram, you can see in the top left your story option. Click on your story. After clicking on your story, you can see it will lead you to your gallery. Here you can pick any photos or videos that you want to share. I'm just picking one to share. After picking the right one, you can see in the top right 5 icons, but you need to click on the middle one. Click on the middle one. After clicking it, you can see it will show you many options, but you need to pick the music in the left middle one. Click on music. By clicking music, it will show you songs, but you can also search for songs, just like I'm searching one. After searching, it will show you songs. You can pick any. I'm picking the first one. Click on done. Click on new story in the left bottom one. Guys, this is how can you share songs in your Instagram story. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.